Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what are the messages for you for this month. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the ascendant. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for Sagittarians. Ace of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Emperor, Page of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups, Temperance, the Tower, the Justice, okay, and the Six of Wands. Okay, so Sagittarius, there is definitely a new beginning in your life, and it really has a potential of being long term and being stable. Okay, whatever this new beginning is, it can be in the financial sphere, it can be in any sphere of your life, but it has the potential of being long term and stable. And once you are able to receive this new beginning, you are ready to work hard on it, and you are ready to build it up one by one and increase that abundance with whatever you've got. Oh, it's like you get the new beginning and you keep working hard on it to increase the, if it is finances, then you are ready to work hard to increase it from one coin to multiple coins. It's something like that. So you're really focused and working hard on whatever this new beginning is. Okay, so you are investing your time and energy and whatever it is to build it up, okay, so you are totally glued to it, you are totally invested in this new beginning. Whatever this new beginning is, you're really working hard on this new beginning. Okay, you really want it to flourish, you really want it to be a part of your life. Whatever it is, it's really important for you, so you're really focused on it. It's like day and night working hard on it, and you want to multiply it. That's what I'm getting, you want to multiply it. Okay, and with the Emperor being next, so maybe that is either your target, that is where you want to reach. You are building up your abundances. To me, somehow it's getting more of a financial type of a vibe over here, or something materialistic, if not necessarily only financial, but then whatever it is you are building up is definitely the goal is to reach at the top. It's something like that. You want to reach at the top, you want to get that power, you want to get that confidence, you want to have that leadership type of a thing. It's something like that, Sagittarians, and you are uh, and you know you are doing it the right way. That's what I feel. You are feeling very confident. If it is not exactly that you are actually wanting to become a boss or something like that, then energetically this is how you feel. Once you are able to build up those finances or build up whatever this new beginning is, once you are able to multiply it many-fold, this is how you feel. You feel confident, you build up your empire basically. Okay, it's something like that energetically. Even if you are not an emperor, but then you've built up something for yourself. That's what I'm saying, that's what I'm getting. Okay, and then we have the Page of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups, and the Temperance. So again, there here seems to be some, it can be again a small new step forward in something else, or maybe your eyes are now glued to something else. Since you've achieved this, now I think your eyes are set on to something else. That's what I'm getting here. It seems to be something different than this one. Okay, and this is something which is your wish come true. This is your wish come true. It is giving you a lot of emotional stability. It's like this one was giving you a lot of materialistic and a financial stability, and maybe once you are able to get your financial stability, now you are in for the emotional stability and emotional enrichment, whatever it means for you. Okay, some other wish is there which you want to fulfill. Okay, or it can just be some other pursuit, one after the other. It can be that also. Okay, I've got this now, this is now I want this. It can be that also. I'm not getting anything negative out of it. It seems to be it's coming out as a good vibe over here. So what you are taking a small step forward, or your eyes are fixed to something else now, and that is your dream come true, that is your wish fulfillment, and you're getting it. But here with the Temperance, you are advised some sort of moderation. Perhaps you are doing something in excess, it can be that, or maybe you are being very selfish and not sharing it with people, something like that, because it is coming off with the Temperance, following it is the Tower. So definitely there is something here which has to be corrected. It can be that since you are, maybe you are running a one after one target and then the another target, it can be that, and you need to slow down. Definitely some sort of a moderation needs to be achieved over here, because if not, or maybe you are being too selfish, and if you, that is the moderation that is needed to be needed to be achieved, because whatever it is, it's being followed by the Tower and the Justice. So three major cards in a row. What I feel is, if moderation is not, you really need to go slow here. Some sort of something is huge here, because unless you achieve this, you are heading for a Tower moment. There is something crashing down unexpectedly. You are moving, perhaps fulfilling one dream of the other, and then things crash down because of lack of perhaps lack of moderation or lack of balance. That's what I'm getting. I don't know why I'm getting that lack of balance, because if everything is balanced, there is no need for any Tower movement. This, to me, it comes up as a guidance, because if you are not balancing this, then things will balance themselves with the Justice following next. If you are not able to moderate whatever excess you are doing, then the nature will intervene and things will get balanced themselves, with the Justice being the next. In between is the Tower. So unexpectedly some situation or some events will happen, or something is going to happen which will disrupt the energy of this flow with which you are moving after one after the another, that you will have to sort of, things will get sorted out themselves, and it comes a decisions time that no, it's getting too much, you need to slow down. If you don't do it yourself, then I need to correct it for you. It's the says the universe. It's something like that. That's what I'm getting. Or maybe some unexpected decision has to be taken by you. It can be that also. Something is happening unexpectedly, and it requires some sort of a decision. But the good thing is, whatever this Tower moment is and whatever this stability is, ultimately you are coming off with the Six of Wands, which is appreciation. So maybe there is some unexpected upheaval of events which may seem to be problematic when they happen, and energetically you may really feel as if, okay, as if the floor has been pulled off your feet. But then ultimately, as far as the long term thing is concerned, you will feel happy, you will emerge victorious, and you will feel happy. So whatever is going to happen will be a course correction to your path. Let's see what is the message from this deck for Sagittarians. Four of Spades, the Death and the Rebirth. So definitely with the Tower and the Death card being there, what I feel is that something here has to end for something else to grow. So whatever it is, it has to be course corrected. You need to go slow, otherwise universe will disrupt the energies and then align and then put things into alignment. But whatever it is, the good thing is you are happy after that. You will realize that yes, where you were going wrong and your approach was wrong, you learn the lesson out of it ultimately. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels for Sagittarians. Choose freedom. Number 15 or number 6 may be of some significance for you. Sometimes you may feel as though your way is blocked, but often that is just an illusion. You could free yourself from the obstacles that you are so focused on by choosing a different path. Turn your thoughts away from negativity and instead envision endless other possibilities you might act upon. So that is the guidance from the angels for you, Sagittarius. So I just hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.